What is the best workaround to access Amazon Prime content from restricted countries?
Hello everyone. We know how frustrating it can be when you're in a country where your favorite Amazon Prime content is restricted. Well, we're here to help. Today, we're going to explore the best workaround to access Amazon Prime content from restricted countries.
What causes geographic restrictions?
Amazon Prime, like many other streaming services, restricts certain content in certain countries due to licensing agreements. When a movie, TV show, or other content is licensed, it is only licensed for viewing in specific regions or countries. So, when you're outside of those countries, you're unable to access the content.
What's the solution?
The most effective solution to this issue is using a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN allows you to change your device's IP address to appear as though it's in a different location, enabling you to bypass geographic restrictions and access content as if you were in a different country.
How to use a VPN to access Amazon Prime content.
Here's a simple step-by-step guide to using a VPN to access Amazon Prime content from a restricted country. 1. Choose a VPN service. Look for a reputable VPN service that offers strong security, privacy features, and a variety of server locations. Some popular options include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and CyberGhost. 2. Install the VPN software. After choosing a VPN service, download and install the VPN software on your device. Most VPN providers offer software for a variety of devices, including computers, smartphones, and tablets. 3. Connect to a server. Launch the VPN software and connect to a server located in a country where the content you want to access is available. For example, if you want to watch a movie that's only available on Amazon Prime in the US, you should connect to a US server. 4. Log in to Amazon Prime. Now, navigate to the Amazon Prime website or app. Log in to your Amazon Prime account and you should now be able to access the content that was previously restricted. Important note: while VPNs are legal in most places, the use of a VPN to bypass geographic restrictions may violate the terms of service of streaming services like Amazon Prime. So, use this information wisely. There you have it, folks. Now you know how to access Amazon Prime content from restricted countries using a VPN. We hope this guide was helpful and you can now enjoy your favorite shows and movies, no matter where you are in the world. Remember to always respect the terms of service of the platforms you use, and happy streaming!